When you're driving your car, keeping a good temperature is important. If your air conditioning is broken, it needs to be fixed ASAP, and there's no one better than Panks Auto Electrical and Components to do it. We specialize in air conditioning repairs and regassing, with a specialist team providing expert knowledge and advice on all your air conditioning needs. Panks are affiliated with one of the largest internationally recognized trading group, one of the country's biggest buying powers, Group Auto. Call us now to find out more.